Rewards credit cards have gained popularity among consumers for their ability to offer various incentives, such as cashback, travel points, and other rewards, on everyday purchases. Common types of rewards include cashback, airline miles, hotel points, gift cards, and discounts on specific purchases. These rewards are typically earned based on a percentage of the amount spent using the card. One of the most significant advantages of using rewards credit cards for everyday expenses is the ability to maximize the rewards earned. By using credit cards strategically and for all applicable purchases, cardholders can accumulate points or cashback at a faster rate, which can later be redeemed for various rewards. Many individuals have found creative ways to maximize these benefits, particularly by using rewards credit cards to pay for expenses that they would have typically paid using their debit card and promptly paying off the credit card balance each month. This approach allows them to capture rewards while maintaining financial discipline and avoiding debt. With this method, it is important to only spend what you would have spent on your expenses for the month. This ensures you have the funds to pay off the balance in full to avoid paying interest on the card. Additional advantages to using credit cards instead of a debit card include built-in consumer protections, such as fraud protection, purchase protection, and extended warranty coverage. These benefits can provide peace of mind and added security when making everyday purchases. Responsible credit card usage can also contribute to building a positive credit history and improving the cardholder's credit score. Timely payments and low credit utilization are essential factors that can positively impact credit scores over time. It is important to remember that to effectively capture rewards while avoiding debt, it is crucial for individuals to commit to paying off their credit card balance in full each month. By doing so, they prevent interest charges from accruing and maintain control over their financial well-being. Credit cards often carry higher interest rates compared to other types of credit, such as personal loans or lines of credit. Paying off the balance monthly prevents interest charges from eroding the value of rewards and keeps debt in check. Paying off the credit card balance each month demonstrates responsible financial discipline. It ensures that cardholders do not accumulate unnecessary debt or incur interest expenses, which can quickly outweigh the value of the rewards earned. Additionally, carrying a high credit card balance relative to the credit limit, high credit utilization, can negatively impact credit scores. Paying off the balance monthly helps maintain a low credit utilization ratio, which contributes to a healthier credit profile. There are a few things to keep in mind related to using credit cards in this manner to essentially have the card issuer pay you for using their card. While the idea of earning rewards may be tempting, some individuals might be inclined to overspend to maximize rewards. This behavior can lead to financial strain and negate any benefits gained from rewards. Also, some rewards credit cards may come with annual fees. Before choosing a credit card, individuals should evaluate whether the potential rewards outweigh the costs of the annual fee. It is essential to research and select rewards credit cards that align with individual spending habits and offer rewards on everyday expenses. It is important to keep a close eye on credit card spending to avoid overspending and stay on track with the monthly budget. Establishing a monthly budget can help individuals manage their expenses effectively, making it easier to pay off the credit card balance each month. Using rewards credit cards to pay for expenses that would have been paid using a debit card anyway, and paying off the balance each month, can be a financially savvy approach to capture rewards while maintaining financial discipline. With this method, the card issuer is paying you for using their card. By understanding the benefits and potential pitfalls, individuals can make informed decisions on selecting the right rewards credit cards and effectively manage their finances. Responsible credit card usage, combined with timely monthly payments, empowers consumers to leverage rewards while ensuring a secure and debt-free financial future.